Hello, y'all. This is Miss T Ideas. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, hey, since the beginning, welcome back. I I'm a channel that I like to recycle. I like to recycle. I like to upcycle. I like to do the trash to treasure. I like to make something out of nothing. I love junk journaling, and I love the arts and crafts. This watch keep turning around. Let me see. I just jumped on here for a few minutes because I want to show you. Oh, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope all y'all day is wonderful. I'm sure it is because I have some wonderful people out there in our group, and God bless. All right. I just got on here to show you what I've been working on. And I have to be creative. Y'all know I don't have a craft room. So I have to be precise and with whatever I do. So, this is what I've been doing. Let me show you. You know all the book pages we use? I'm putting rings on them. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on. Okay. I don't own the rights to that now. Hey, all right. No song. Um, the papers that we cut up for making junk journals, making pockets, um, making cards, making backgrounds for whatever you do. There it is. I got these 3-ring binder from the Dollar Tree, and yeah, I could put some more on here. But I've also ordered some more by ring because I just had what they had at the Dollar Tree. I got some smaller ones for books. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. I got another one right here. And you see these papers here? These papers here, you can collage on top of it. You can take a few of these pages out. This was a recipe book, I think, vintage cookbook. And the pages are nice and sturdy. And you can collage on these papers. These papers are collage ready. And I have some that's different sizes. I can cut them down when I get ready, or no. Okay, I got this here. All right. Someone gave me a long time ago. Yeah, my computer's acting up. I hope it ain't buffering and stuff like that. It just the weather is dreary out here, and maybe that's why the computer's acting crazy, slow. Um, a lady had given me some swatches. These here I cut off of some swatches, beautiful swatches. The lady that gave them to me, her daughter is a interior designer for private jets. Okay, so this is swatch samples like she's had. And this is nothing. I have a box of these. If you're interested in some of these swatch samples, let me know. Um, but I'm so hey, let me know. You may get them this year, next year. I don't know. Y'all know me. Um, my mind be on a lot of things. I'm ADHD. Okay, but I mean well all the time. Okay, this is some leather. Ain't that pretty? This is my color though. Y'all notice my color. Y'all know the teal turquoise. Teal is my color. I love teal. I love teal with most things. I love teal with cream color. I love teal with browns. Teal with silver. I love teal. Okay. Anyway, that's the swatches. This is the swatches. And this is some of the best fabric because she changed the interior. She's a designer of the private jet. So anyway, and when I first got into this, a lady in my other group, I'm in another group. She sent me a box of these along with a lot of stuff. Happy Mail. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do with these. I'm running out of rings, but some of these already got its own holes. These was on cardboard, and I used the cardboard to make paper packs. Y'all saw some of my paper packs. Anyway, this already got the hole. I'm gonna put these together and put them on a ring because they've been kind of just, I've been tripping over them, y'all, for I know 6 months, 7 months. Look at the hole. Beautiful white leather. And they had the name on it too. I pulled all this stuff off. I've been tripping over them, not knowing what to do with them. So what I'm gonna start off doing? This is tweed. That's pretty. What I'm gonna start off doing? Cause y'all know I sew, right? I'm going to take my pinking shears as soon as I can find them. Y'all, I don't know where my pinking shears at. I know they're in the house though. Anyway, this is nothing compared to the rest. Okay? I'm going to put a ring here. If you like it, then. Mm-hmm. I'm going to put it right there. But I'm going to take my pinking shear and I'm going to cut it in squares. You know, with the pinking shear, you know, the cuts on them. Cut it in squares. And I may attach it and make a jacket for a junk journal, like a quilt. It took me 6, 7, 8 months to think of something, but here we go. Let's see. Now, the final results of what I'm doing, it might make more sense to you. I made a journal. Now, I have some rings coming in. This is just holding it together. I have some rings coming in today, some black rings, some neutral color rings, okay? But this is just holding my book together. I seen another YouTuber, and she called this in-between projects, or a day that you could be crafting but you're not. You really don't want to have to think about it. This is a reset journal. That's what I call it, a reset. You can sit down and just mindlessly sticking some stuff to some paper. I had a beautiful card that one of my friends sent me, Renee. I've been having this card since last year, and I kind of decorated it a little bit. So this card gonna always be with me. It's beautiful. Okay, is this the card? Yeah, this part, that part. Anyway, I put whatever I want together. This is a piece of the popcorn bag. This is a little pocket right here. This is something you can take with you in the car. This is something that just don't matter. This is a don't matter. Hey, I need to glue some paper. I need to glue and some paper. So she said that she don't never do more than 20 sheets. She said she found 20 sheets is the limit, her limit. Because her thing for it was, her reasoning for it was, when we start a journal, especially the what kind of composition journals? Composition. You are pushed. Your body is making you want. We want to complete a journal. So she feel like 20 is enough. You can complete it. You can put it up. And I just keep me a little paper, and I'm learning to just keep me a little pile of something, for all the other stuff won't overwhelm me. This is my reset relaxation junk journal ring binder. And this is the envelope. You just do what you want. It's your thing. Do what you want to do. Ba-dum-bum-ba. Okay, I don't own the rights to this song either. I'm just in the element, y'all. I'm a whole vibe today. My granddaughter surprised me with a bog. I want to say it right. Bog bag, B-O-G-G. A bog bag, y'all. It's beautiful. And you decorate them, I got to get my colors together and decorate it and, put my scarves on it, put my little rhinestones on it and stuff like that. She bought me the stuff to put on it. But I gotta make it mine personally, I gotta make it me. And I'll show it. But yeah. So this here is in the meantime, in between time, when you just want something to glue and do. So I call it a reset journal. Hey, you can call it a glue and do whatever it is to you. All right, that's it. That's all. My rings are coming in today. My daughter ordered me some. And y'all, I'm gonna tell you this, I'm gone. I've also learned how to coil bind. Coil bind, okay? I never liked the coil binding, the coil, spine. I know how to coil bind now. And I'm very interested in it. Y'all know I like to put stuff together. I like to work out stuff. And that's it. That's all. Miss T Ideas, thank you for listening to me. Carry on. Thank you for being here. I hope you're having a good Valentine's Day. God bless. I love you all. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel because I have some interesting ideas. I may not have the most beautiful setup and lights and position and camera and action, but I have ideas. All kind. Thank you. Bye-bye.